The police probe is underway into the alleged dowry death of a 24-year-old Vismaya. Her husband Kiran Kumar S. has been arrested and booked for dowry death. Her brother, 3 years elder to Vismaya, spoke to NDTV even as her father refused to see her body or her burial spot.
Well, that's Vismaya with her family. She was married end of May, almost a year ago, and just few days back she was found hanging from the bathroom of her husband's house. An incident that has shocked the conscience of people, especially coming from Kerala, which is known for its literacy rates. Now here are the family members of Vismaya. This is Vismaya's brother, Vijit, and his wife, Dr. Revati. The family has alleged that there were demands for dowry, there was harassment for dowry, and that's what cost their sisters, their daughters, life. Kiran Kumar, her husband, has been arrested. He's been booked for dowry death, harassment. Let's listen from what the family has to say. Vijit, you've been showing me pictures. The moment I entered, you started showing me these pictures. You are saying this is not a suicide. Why do you say that?
Ma'am, she's a bold character girl, ma'am. I said that she's representing this district for all this dance things and all, and that too she is for the extracurricular activities like Malangali Open Dance and all. She's representing the Kollam to the state level competition, ma'am. That too, she as an NCC junior under officer, she used to attend the national camps in girls' battalion and all. That much bold she is, how she can commit suicide, that is the one question I'm asking, ma'am. And I'm saying, the time of death, which is happening in his personal bathroom, that time this Kiran Kumar, the victim, is inside his room. And there is no evidence, like no one seen she's hanging in that bathroom. What's the parents saying, like, then see, they see the Kiran Kumar is giving CPR. Huh? So there's no evidence, like no one seen she is hanging inside the bathroom. And she used to request to this Kiran Kumar parents, like she want to go home.
Who told you that? Did she tell you that she was requesting? Who told you that?
No, the police department only said that that from the media also I just used to see that they also agreed that she requested or begged to the parents of Kirana to send her home.
No, did you hear from the media or did the police tell you?
Both, ma'am, both. This police also confirmed the same and this media also said the same, ma'am.
Okay.
And I'm asking about the human rights. He didn't use the mobile phones. They didn't to send us back to her own home. Where is the human rights, ma'am? That too you are saying Kerala has been the top in the literacy rate, around 90 plus. And because of the literacy only, this system is still existing in Kerala, ma'am.
Right. Vijit? This is here at this home itself is when in January she was assaulted, she was physically beaten up by her husband. You had gone to interfere according to the family, and you were also beaten?
That's
physically
right.
assaulted?
Right, ma'am, right.
Okay. So after that, before that, there were some pictures that were sent to you. And Dr. Revati says that was from August last year. What happened after that? Did the family intervene after that?
Yes, ma'am. After that, the family interfered, ma'am. Actually, my father personally gone there, and so they said that nothing is happening. It's just for normal thing, and they need a good car or something like that. And the father already talked in a personal way, and they compromised that matter.
And the parents were telling them that the issue they were not knowing. So after that, they will take care of the child, and no more issues will happen.
Was there demands for dowry which were made?
Obviously, ma'am, yes.
Again and again?
Yes, obviously.